We welcome you to the 6th video of a series of 7 videos on the attributes of a successful person. Today's topic is purpose alignment. Purpose alignment, vision clarity, life direction. Successful individuals define a compelling future that pulls them forward with inspiration and excitement. Their vision includes both achievement and contribution components. This direction setting creates momentum and resilience through challenging periods. Core purpose. They identify the unique contribution they're designed to make in the world. This purpose transcends specific roles or goals and connects to something larger than themselves. This meaningful orientation infuses ordinary activities with extraordinary significance. Legacy mindset. Successful people consider the lasting impact they wish to leave beyond their lifetime. They make choices with long-term significance rather than just immediate outcomes in mind. This perspective elevates their daily decisions and expands their sense of possibility. Meaning creation, strength alignment. They design their lives to leverage natural talents and develop skills as much as possible. This alignment creates a sense of flow and effectiveness in their work. This strengths-based approach generates greater impact with less struggle and strain. Value integration. Successful individuals ensure their activities express their deepest values and beliefs. They regularly assess whether their calendar reflects their stated priorities. This congruence between values and actions creates authentic fulfillment. Contribution focus. They orient their work toward meaningful service to others rather than just personal gain. Their motivation transcends external rewards to connect with intrinsic purpose. This service mindset transforms ordinary work into significant contribution. Growth commitment, comfort zone expansion. Successful people regularly push themselves beyond familiar territory into growth-producing challenges. They recognize that meaningful development happens at the edge of their current capabilities. This stretching approach accelerates their personal growth and development. Failure reframing. They view setbacks as valuable feedback rather than personal deficiency. Their response to disappointment emphasizes learning and adaptation rather than discouragement. This resilient perspective transforms obstacles into stepping stones. Progress celebration. Successful individuals acknowledge and appreciate their development rather than fixating only on gaps. They mark meaningful milestones with recognition and satisfaction. This celebratory practice sustains motivation and builds confidence for future challenges. Thank you for watching. Please look for Bashir Juma on YouTube for further videos in English and Urdu. Please hold in-house training programs on this and the related topics. If this content is beneficial, kindly subscribe to the channel.